Okay, so good day everyone. So today we're going to discuss about discount. Okay, so first, what do you mean by discount? So discount is a percentage that is deducted from the original price. Okay, it is a certain amount that is deducted from the original price. So that is a discount. Okay, so these are one of the type of discount. So we have single trade discount. So what do you mean by that? When we say single trade discount, it is one time discount that is given to our customers when they buy a certain product. Take note, when we say single trade discounts from the word single, it is a one-time discount. Okay, so first, how we are going to get the discount? We're just going to multiply the rate times the cost price. So rate denoted by small letter R and cost price denoted by M sub O. Okay, just get the product of rate and the cost price. Then you already know what is the value of discount. Okay, so how much money or amount of money will be deducted from the original price. Okay, so that is discount. Next, how we are going to get the selling price. Okay, so if we are going to ask, or if we are asked to get the selling price, we just get the cost price minus the discount. Okay, cost price minus discount, where cost price is denoted by M sub O and discount is denoted by big letter D. So how we are going to get the rate? Okay, just get the quotient of discount and the cost price. V all over M sub O. So here is the formula. So here is a triangular formula wherein this one is the discount, rate, and cost. Where cost is denoted by M sub O. Okay po, so if we are asked again for the discount, we're just going to get the product of rate and the cost price. In the other hand, if we are asked to get the rate, we're just going to get the quotient of the discount and the cost price. And if we are asked for the cost price, we're just going to get the quotient of the discount and the rate. Okay, so let's apply. Let's have problem number 1. In problem number 1, a refrigerator that originally cost 12,900 is on sale at 20%. So if you buy it, how much will you save? So you are asking for the discount. So first, let's list down the given. So what are the given? So we have 12,900 pesos. What is this? This one is the original cost, original cost or price. So this is our M sub O. Okay, so this is M sub O, where M sub O is the cost price. Okay, next given we have 20%. If we convert this, we have 0.2 or 0.20. So this is the rate. Okay, so what is asked in the given? In the problem rather. So we are asked to find how much will you save. So this is discount. Okay, so again, what is the formula for the discount? We're just going to get the product of rate and the cost price. Our rate is 0.2. Do not forget to convert the percent into decimal. Okay, before you substitute it into the formula. Okay, our M sub O, no, it looks like mo, but it is M sub O. Okay, so our M sub O is 12,900. Now, let's get the product. You can use your calculator to recheck the answer. Okay, so it is 2,580 pesos. Do not forget the unit sign, which is the peso sign. Okay, PHP. Okay, so this is the discount. Okay, so therefore, by the way, the three dotted is stand for or denoted for therefore. Okay, it signifies conclusion. So therefore, 2,580 is the amount he save after he buy what? The refrigerator. Okay. At 12,900 pesos at sale of 20%. Okay, so how much? He will save 2,580. Okay, next problem. Okay, so in next problem, we are asked to find the original price of what? So if you save 4,200 from purchasing a flat screen TV set that is on sale at 7% off, what was the original price of the TV set? Okay, first, let's list down our given. So our given is from the word save, it means discount, right? Okay, so we have 4,200 pesos. This is the discount. Okay, or you can just write D. Yan. Next, 7%. If we convert this, it is equal to 0.07. This is the rate. And we are asked to find the original price, which is the cost price. So what is our formula for cost price? Oh, let's recall the triangular. Here is the discount, rate, and cost price. So cost price is equal to discount over rate. Okay, so let's have the solution. Cost price is equal to what is the discount? 4,200, and our rate is 0.07. Now get the quotient. So we have 60,000 pesos. Okay, so what is this? This is the original price of the TV set. Okay, so therefore, 60,000 pesos is the original price of the TV set. Okay. Next, that's a problem number 3. So a DVD which originally cost, so take note from this, originally cost 600 is marked off or marked 25% off. So how much is the discount and what is its selling price? Okay, so that's first. Always write the given first. Okay, and then write what is asking the problem, then what are the formula that we are going to use. Okay, so what are the given? So what is the 600? It is the cost price. So 600 pesos is the cost price. So also we have mark 25% off. Okay, so that is the rate. So we have, so from 25%, it is also equal to 0.25. Okay, so we are asked to get the discount and we also asked to get the selling price. Okay, so again, what is our formula? So from the triangular, so we have here the R, and the M sub O, which is the cost price. So our formula for discount is multiply the rate and the cost price, so which are on the given already. So our rate is 0.25 and our cost price is 600. So get the product. So we have 150 pesos. So we have 150 pesos discount. Okay. Next, how we are going to get the selling price. So what is our formula? In getting the selling price, we have cost price minus the discount. Okay? We already get the value of discount and the cost price is already on the given. Okay, so our cost price is 600 pesos. Okay, minus 150, which is the discount. It is equal to 450 pesos. So this is the selling price. Okay? So originally siya na 600 pesos yung DVD, dahil nag-mark 20% off, so naka-save siya ng 150 from naging 450 pesos na lang yung DVD. Okay? Okay, next. So let's fill up the table. Okay. So here, our given is cost price and rate. So we are asked to get the discount, okay, and the selling price. So let's take a look on our triangular formula. Here is the D, R, and M sub O. So our formula for the discount is just get the product of rate and the cost price. So yes, the cost price and the rate are given. Okay? How about the selling price? So what is our formula in the selling price? So we have M sub O minus the discount. Okay, so let's have our solution. Okay, for the discount, rate times M sub O. Our rate is 0.2% and 0.2 only, and our cost price is 120. And now get the product. So we have 24 pesos. So it means the discount is 24 pesos. Okay, so here, you can write here 24 pesos. Okay, next. Let's find the selling price, where the selling price is cost price minus the discount. Our cost price is 120 according to the given, and our discount is 24. So 120 minus 24 is 96 pesos. So the selling price is 96 pesos. So here, let's write 96 pesos. Okay pa? Okay, next. So here, the missing is the cost price and the rate. And the given is discount and selling price. So again, let's draw the triangular. So here is D, R, and M sub O. Now let's get the M sub O, where it is equal to the discount over rate. So as you can see on the table, there is no value for rate. Now, how we are going to get the rate? So it is discount over the cost price. So as you can see on the table, cost price is still missing. So how we are going to get it? The only given that we have is the selling price and the discount. Okay, so again, what is our, let's derive formula, class. So again, what is the formula for the selling price? Okay, so we have the cost price minus the discount. Okay, again, the discount is equal to rate times the cost price. Okay, so cost price, we all know that the discount is equal to rate times cost price. So we're just going to substitute, okay, the formula for the discount itself to the discount in the formula of the selling price. Okay, now, as you can see, there is a common factor, which is the cost price here. Okay, so let's factor out, which is the cost price, then 1 minus R. Okay, paano nangyari yan? So if we are going to distribute the cost price to the group, it will look like this. Okay, so let's have here. So 1 minus R. So M sub O times 1 is M sub O. And M sub O times negative R is still R times M sub O. So as you can see, bumalik lang tayo dito, class. Okay? Bakit natin kailangan gawin to? Kasi we don't have any value for the rate and for the cost price. Okay? So, if we are going to use tabular, wala tayong magagamit dyan kasi wala yung kailangan natin. So, we just have to derive the formula from the selling price. That we all know that the selling price is M sub O minus the discount, where the discount is the product of rate and the cost price. Okay. So, what is the selling price? So, the selling price is 775. So we don't know yet what is the value for the cost price. So what else? So it is 1 minus R. Hmm? Again. How we are going to do this? How we are going to get the cost price? I'll just take a moment to look on the formula. How class? Nag-ended na tayo dyan. What is 1 minus R? Balik tayo, class. Now here, so we already have the value of the discount, which is 225. So let's erase this. At least nakita natin yung derivation ng formula. Okay? So the discount is 225. Okay? So let's write D here. Okay? Okay, balik tayo dito, class. Ayan. Our selling price is 775, which is equal to cost price minus the discount, which is 225. Okay. So, at least nakita nyo na kung paano mag-derive ng formula. Okay, now, let's manipulate. So, M sub O is equal to 775 plus 225. Then get the sum, which is 1,000. So our cost price is 1,000. Okay. How we are going to get the rate? Now we can get the rate. We all know that the discount is 225 over the cost price is which is 1,000. Okay. So the quotient is 0.225. So we have to multiply this to 100 to convert it into rate. So it is 22.5%. So this is 22.5%. Okay, any question? Okay, if you have any question, you can comment, class, or you can message me. Okay, next. Let's fill up the table again. So the given are the cost price and the selling price, and we are asked to get the discount. So discount is equal to rate times the cost price. Okay. So do we have rate? We don't have the rate, but we have the cost price. Okay. Next, we are asked to get the rate, where rate is discount over cost price. So we don't have value for the discount again. So balik tayo dun, class. The selling price is equal to M sub O minus D. Diba? By just looking on the formula, we already have the value for the selling price and the cost price. Okay? We cannot use this eh. Okay? because there is a missing. We don't have formula for the we cannot calculate this because we don't have the rate. Also, here we don't have the discount. Okay, so just use the selling formula. So our selling price is 195 pesos. Okay, so our cost price is 300 minus D. Okay, so hanapin natin yung discount. Okay. So, para matanggal natin yung negative dito sa D class, let's transpose D. So, magiging positive. Stay sa 300. Transpose C, 195. So, 300 minus 195 is 105 pesos. So, this is the discount. Okay? Okay, next. Let's get the rate. Now we can get the rate. Our discount is 105 over cost price, which is 300. So get the quotient. The quotient is 0.35. Again, I said earlier, we have to multiply this to 100 to convert it into rate. So we have 35%. This is our rate. Okay, next. Okay, again, fill up the table. So the missing is the cost price, where cost price is equal to discount over rate. And we are also asked to get the selling price, where the selling price is cost price minus the discount. Okay, so we can get the cost price. What is the value for the discount? Okay, how much is the discount? Okay. So we have 142.50 all over this one. We have to convert this. It will be equal to 0.095. Okay po. So this one is 0.095. So cost price is equal to 1,500 pesos. Okay, so this one is 1,500 pesos. Now, let's get the selling price. Okay, so we already have the cost price and the discount. So, selling price is equal to cost price, where cost price is 1,500 minus the discount, which is 142.50 pesos. Now, the selling price is 1,357.50. Okay, so it is 1,300 357.50. Okay, next. Okay, so again, we're asked to get the cost price, where cost price is equal to discount over rate, and discount is equal to rate times the cost price. Okay, can we use the formula? If we are going to get the cost price, we don't have the value for the discount. As same, if you're asked to get the discount, we don't have value for the cost price. Now, we are going to use the selling price, where selling price is equal to cost price minus the discount. Okay, di ba kanina sabi ko sa inyo, class, what is our formula for discount? So, rate times the cost price, right? So, we have M sub O minus rate times the cost price. We're just deriving the formula, class, ha? Then, let's factor this out. The common factor is M sub O, right? So, M sub O, quantity 1 minus R. If we distribute M sub O to the parentheses, we are going to go back here. Okay? So, M sub O times 1 is still M sub O. M sub O minus M sub O times negative R is negative R times M sub O. Okay? So, now we can get, kasi we already have the value for the selling price and the rate. We can get the cost price. Our selling price is 312 pesos. Okay, then 1 minus 60% is equal to 0.6. Okay? Then divide both sides by 1 minus 0.6. 1 minus 0.6. This one cancel. So m sub o is equal to 312. 1 minus 0.6. What is the value? 0.4. Then get the quotient. We have 780 pesos for the cost price. Okay, so we have 780 pesos. Now, let's get the discount. Okay, so our formula here, rate times cost price. So our rate is 0.6 times 780 pesos. So the product is 468 pesos. So this is the discount that you will get after the 60% is deducted. Okay. So 468 pesos. Okay, now let's proceed to problem number 3. Okay. So during the sale, a desk is being sold for 2,142. The price was the result when 32% discount was applied on the original price. So what is the original price? So what are our given? Selling price is 2,142. So this is the selling price. So that's right here. Selling is equal to 2,142 pesos. Next, what are the givens? We have the rate, which is 32%, also equal to 0.32. And we are asked to find the original price, which is M sub O. And our formula for M sub O is discount over rate. Okay? So there is no given discount on the given problem. So we need to find the discount first. So if you are going to get the discount, just get the product of the rate and the cost price. Okay po, what else? So we don't have the cost price class because that is the missing. Let's use again the formula for the selling price, which is M sub O minus D. Let's derive this again, where D is equal to R times M sub O. Then factor this out. We have M sub O, quantity 1 minus R. Then now, let's get the value for the selling price. Because we already have the value for the selling price. Sorry, class. We can get now the cost price because we already have the value for the selling price, which is 2,142 pesos. Our rate is 0.32. Okay, then let's multiply both sides by 1 minus 0.32, or just class, you can simply this, then divide both sides. Okay, but still you can use this process, class. So here cancel, so we have M sub O, so 2,142 over 1 minus 0.32, we have 0.68. So if we are going to get the quotient of this, we have 3,150 pesos. So this is the cost price of the desk. Okay, so how much is the discount? So now we can now get the discounts. So our rate is 0.32 times to the cost price, which is 3,150. So the discount is, how much is the discount? How we are going to get the product? Actually, class, ang tinatanong lang sa atin dyan is yung original price. Okay. If ever you are going to get the discount, okay, just get the product of 0.32 times 3,150. Okay. So we have 1,000 pesos. So, ayun yung discount na nakuha niya nung in-apply yung 32% discount dito sa 3,150. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Class, check natin yung klase. So, we have the cost price, which is yung 3,150 minus yung discount, which is 1,008 pesos. So, the selling price now is 2,142. So, babalik tayo dito. Okay? So, good thing din na kinuha natin yung discount for checking. Okay, next. So, a refrigerator unit that originally cost 20,000 is on sale at 50% off. If you will buy the refrigerator, how much will you save? So, you are asked for the discount. Okay? So, first thing, always list down the given. So, we have the cost price. Our cost price is 20,000. Our rate is 15%, which is also equal to 0.15. Okay, what else? So, we are asked to, again, find the discount. Okay, so what is our formula for the discount? So, we have discount is equal to the product of rate and the cost price. Okay, so our rate is 0.15. Then our cost price is 20,000. So get the product. The product is 3,000 pesos. So ito yung masisave niya na amount of money if he is going to buy the refrigerator at 20,000 pesos, sale of 50%. Okay. Now, that's the problem number 6. So, a movie ticket that originally cost 200 is marked 10% off. How much is the discount? So, we are asked again for the discount. And how much is the selling price? Okay, again, let's list down the given. Okay, so the given is the cost price is 200 pesos. The rate is 10% or it is also equal to 0.1. So we are asked to get again the discount and the selling price. Let's list down the formula as well. The discount is rate times the cost price, and the selling price is cost price minus the discount. Okay, so let's have our solution. So we already have the rate, the value for the rate, and the value for the cost price. So discount is equal to the 0.1 times 200. So the discount is 20 pesos. Okay? When 10% deducted on the 200 pesos. Okay, next. So how much is the selling price? We all know that the selling price is cost price minus the discount. Our cost price is 200 and our discount is 20. So technically, the selling price is 180 pesos. Okay, so ang na-save niya is 200 at 20 pesos at ang selling price na lang is 180. Okay, so thank you for your listening. So if you have any question, you can reach me, you can message me, or you can comment here, class. So thank you very much.